Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you an app that will help you to make $300 daily. Go to cashkick.com. On this website, cash is the greatest reward. We'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online. All you need to do is to answer surveys, find great deals, watch videos, and surf the web. Scroll down and learn steps of using this app. Step 1. Find and complete your mission. From answering surveys to watching videos, there are always great, easy tasks for you to choose from. Complete as many as you'd like, there's no limit. Step 2. Watch earnings grow in your account. Your insights help companies grow, so they are happy to pay you for your time and effort. Just sit back and watch the money pile up as you complete your missions. Step 3. Cash out early, easily, and often. Cashkick offers the lowest payout thresholds on the market, and we deposit your money quickly, securely, and conveniently, starting at just $10 at a time. Scroll down. If you wonder how this app works, companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers like you, and to get your feedback. In fact, your opinions are so valuable, they'll even pay you for them. All you need is a few minutes and an internet connection, and we'll take care of the rest. You can see testimonials of people who uses this app. In order to create an account, scroll up, and as you can see, we'll deposit your earnings into your PayPal account. Our platform is free. We'll never charge you for anything, and we'll always ask your consent before depositing funds. So enter your email and choose your password. And then click on Get Started Now so that you can now start making money on Cashkick. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.